Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Chinese Pronunciation Guide. Speak clearly from day one. Most people believe that Chinese is one of the hardest languages in the world to speak, that the pronunciation is confusing, that the tones are impossible, and that you'll never sound natural. But here's the truth. Most learners don't struggle because Chinese is too hard. They struggle because no one ever explained it. Simply, in the next few minutes, you're going to understand Chinese pronunciation in a way that actually makes sense. Step by step, sound by sound, slowly, clearly, and naturally. So by the end of this, you won't just hear Chinese. You'll start to feel how it works. Let's begin. Chinese pronunciation is built on something called pinyin. Pinyin is simply a way to write Chinese sounds using the alphabet you already know. So, instead of guessing how to say a word, pinyin shows you exactly how it should sound. Think of it as a bridge between what you see and what you say. But here's the important part. Pinyin is not English there. Some letters look familiar, but sound completely different. So we don't guess. We learn them properly from the beginning. Every Chinese syllable starts with an initial. That's the first sound. Let's go slowly. B like a soft B in boy. P like a stronger P with air. M like F like F in fun. Now repeat in your mind. B, P, M, F. Good. Now a few more. D like D in dog. T like a stronger T. N like N in no. Like L in love. Let them settle. No rush. Now we move to finals. These are the ending sounds of each syllable. Like ah, or, like or. Short and round. Like a relaxed I like you like this one is special. But with rounded lips. Don't worry about perfection, just listen. let your mind absorb. Now we combine initial plus final. Ma, ba, fa, la, na. Feel how smooth it becomes, one sound flowing into another. Now, what makes Chinese unique? Tones in Chinese. The meaning of a word changes based on how your voice moves. Same sound, different tone, different meaning. There are 4 main tones. Let's go slowly. Tone 1, high and steady, like you're holding a note. Ma. Tone 2, rising, like asking a question. Ma. Tone 3, down, then up. Ma. Tone 4, sharp and falling, like giving a command. Ma. Now listen again, slowly. Ma, 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 ma. Let's see why this matters. Ma can mean mother, hemp, horse, or scold, depending on the tone. Same sound, completely different meaning. So tones are not extra. They are essential. Before you speak perfectly, you must learn to hear. Listen carefully. Notice the rise, fall, comes from awareness. Here's the key idea. You don't need to speak fast. You need to speak clearly, controlled, intentional. Even native speakers will understand you if your tones are clear. So take your time. Clarity over speed. So now let's practice together. Just listen or softly repeat. Ma, 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 ma shamba. Now a simple word. Ni hao. Hello. Again. Ni hao. Let it feel natural. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. Every time you listen, you improve. Every time you try, you get better. Your brain is already adapting, already learning the patterns. Chinese pronunciation is not about memorizing everything at once. It's about understanding the system and building it step by step. Initials, finals, tones, clarity. If you stay patient and keep listening, you will improve faster than you expect. And one day, you won't just understand Chinese, you'll speak it naturally. Take a deep breath, let everything settle, and when you're ready, listen again. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.